What if I told you that by the end of this video, you'll learn how to create a consistent drawing habit that actually sticks with these 7 habit drawing tips. If you struggle to draw regularly, feel unmotivated, or always feel like you're starting again, this video is for you, because talent isn't the problem here, it's consistency. Miss this and you'll stay stuck in the same cycle of wanting to improve, but never quite practicing enough to see results. Let's get into it. How to claw back hours of time. We spend hours and hours looking down at our phones, but you could be spending this time drawing and developing your craft and also your skill. On iPhone and also Android, you can check out how long you spend on your phones per day, and sometimes what you see is truly shocking. Try and commit or swap this time for drawing. Try and just use your phone maybe at 9, midday, 3 p.m, 6 p.m, if it allows, and try and turn off all the notifications that you receive on your phone so you don't get distracted. This video isn't sponsored in any way, but I use an app called Opal, and it allows you to block certain apps from your phone so you can just concentrate on the things that you're doing. I absolutely love this app, and they have a free version that you can download. Apps like TikTok and Instagram crave your attention and want you to keep going back to their apps. So try and put your phone, say, in a cupboard, away, locked in a safe if you have to, and just commit to just 30 minutes per day to drawing and no interruptions within this time. Break the dreaded white paper. There is nothing worse than looking down at a piece of paper which is totally blank. You have to make a mark to start any drawing. So to help you make drawing as easy as possible, try and just put one mark on your page. Just get started. Just say to yourself that I'm just going to spend 1 minute on this drawing, or 30 seconds if you have to. And if after 30 seconds I get bored and I don't want to continue, then you can stop drawing and just go back to whatever you are doing. But usually after those 30 seconds or a minute, you'll get into your drawing and into the rhythm. So just make one single mark on your page. You can do some quick drawing exercises or warm-up drills to help you break up that dreaded white paper. Here's a link to some key drawing exercises that you can do. Think about scribbles, just doing some tapered line strokes, or just writing. Break up that white paper and make that first mark. Write a to-do list. As some people absolutely love to-do lists, and some people find it a distraction. For me personally, I love a to-do list. I love ticking off what I need to do during the day, and it also helps me remind myself of what exactly I need to do to make this day successful. Here's a few examples that you can put on your to-do list. Drawing for 30 minutes. Reading that book on how to draw. Anything that reminds you to draw and to keep up that habit daily will really help you succeed. Get into the habit. Think about a time of day that you can dedicate to drawing and creating your art. Is it in the morning? Are you more of an afternoon go-getter? Or are you more of a night owl? Whatever time works for you, make sure you dedicate a certain block within your calendar or daily routines to make sure you draw. This time should be uninterrupted and using no phones within this time as well. You've just got to get into the habit of drawing and creating your art. The first few days might feel the most difficult, but as you get into the groove, it will feel easier and easier, and it will become more automatic. Just to make drawing as easy as possible. Make sure you keep your drawing board or paper or sketchbook handy and easily accessible so you can just do some quick drawings and make sure you habit stack that drawing habit. Get skin in the game. When I refer to skin in the game, what I actually mean is purchasing a course. If you actually put money towards something, it will more likely make you actually commit to those activities. You have to utilize what you've purchased and actually go to these sessions to make it worthwhile. Make yourself accountable with someone that you know, a family member or friend. Say to them, I'm going to see you at that life drawing event on Wednesday. They are depending on you to go to those events. So if you keep yourself accountable with someone else, it would also help generate that drawing habit even more. Draw with someone. Drawing can be a solo activity, but it doesn't have to be. If you like drawing with other people, say a family member or friend, and it will make you draw more often, I definitely encourage you to do that. Sometimes you can actually have more fun with others. And if it makes the whole experience of drawing more rewarding and fun, that's a bonus too. Mix up learning. You don't always have to be learning whilst you're drawing. It's really crucial that you're mixing up the way you draw and how you learn as well. Whether that's podcasts, videos like this one, books, courses, but also don't always commit to drawing and learning. Make sure you're having fun as well. Doodle in your sketchbook. Draw your favourite artist or your favourite character from your favourite TV shows. Draw that portrait that you love or create some fan art. Whatever gets you into the mood of drawing as you're excited to actually sit down and draw. If you're actually looking forward to drawing, it would more likely make you do it. To just keep having fun, sprinkle in some learning sessions within your weekly drawing routines and just make it a really enjoyable experience. That is what art is all about. It's when you can reveal your own personal self onto the page and just have fun doing it. I hope this video has helped you create more of a drawing habit and given you some ideas and help you create a consistent drawing habit going forwards. And I highly recommend you checking out this video coming up.